is Minhua. Today I will talk about the topic with Pinky here. What's that topic? It's called What Plants Need. So, what plants need? Plants are a living thing, right? You've known that before. But did you know that plants have needs too? Yes, all living things have needs. So today we're going to learn about the 6 needs that plants need. Let's see. First, we have space. So space is not a space in the sky or in the star or in the moon like that. It's not space like that. It's space where there's the stage of something. Okay? So maybe if you look at a big, wonderful field full of trees, you can see they're in a right distinct. They are in different distincts, so that they won't meet each other if they roll up into a big tree, right? They need space so that they can roll, they can breathe, and they can do anything they want. Okay? Next, we have water. Of course, all things need water, but why do plants need water? Plants need water, not too small amounts of water, but not too big amount of water, because that can cause this plant to be float or to be died. Right? So water is very important for it. It's like it's drinking water. We drink water. Plants drink water. We all drink water for survives. I drink water so that I can get energy to talk with you for today. Next, we have air. So look at this boy. The whole room of me is full of air. Air maybe will never go away. Air is a kind of gas, and there are so many kinds of air. We are breathing oxygen. Oxygen is one kind of air. What about others? Like hydrogen? It's kind of like an air that is inside a balloon. But inside the balloon that was blowing from a machine, not by or air. Right? Because or air is different. It is oxygen. Hydrogen is heavier than oxygen. Wow. So that's how the balloon can float into the sky. Right? Next we have sunlight. Yeah, if you plant a tree inside your house, you will need sunlight too. Because if you put it in a place where there's no sunlight, there's not sunlight, then it's bad. Plants need plenty of light for it to survive. If you don't have any sunlight, maybe it's a bad information about plants. And if you're going to plant a tree, then think about planting it outside, right? Not planting it inside, because when you plant it inside, you will need to put it out and put it in and put it out and put it in so many times that I'm tired now. Next, we have soil. Soil. Soil is usually a special kind of dirt that has a lot of nutrients and good. These soils are having lots of worms and lots of smaller insects. Why do plants need these worms? The worms are good for the plants. What? I didn't even know that. You don't know? Okay, so let me explain it for you. Worms are animals that are very important for plants. They crawl in the dirt. They're not eating the dirt and not eating the plants, so many people think that they're bad. But no, They're cleaning away the bad dirt from the soil that we plant for a tree. Wow, that's so nice, right? Thank you, Worm. Say thank you to it. Next, we have warmth. Warmth is kind of sunlight. It needs warmth. It needs warmth. It needs sunlight. It is hot air. It doesn't need cold air. It doesn't need to get cold. I love warm water more than cold water, and so our people love warm weather more than cold weather. Yes, and plants love warm weather. Okay, so now let's see. We have the natural resources for the plants, or we have oil resources, right? Okay, so let's talk about oil resources for plants. First is water. Water that we take from the rivers, the lakes, the ponds, the stream. Yes, like that. What about space? Space is kind of like we put them against the difference thing. So if your plant, it will be big like this. If it is round up, then you will need the leg of it when it's grown up. Your plant is kind of like this. It's just only seedlings, right? But you need to know about the things of a real grown-up tree. Now, you need to measure that. You need to know that, and then you measure the plants, and then you take into space. It is the goodest way. It is the best way for you to know about space and how much space do you need for plants. Next, we have warmth. We can make warmth for it, like put it outside for more time. Next, we have soil. Maybe we can make soil. We buy them. Sunlight, no, we can't buy sunlight. And air, we can't do anything with air. So sunlight and air are natural resources. Water can be rain. In my house, it's raining a lot. A lot and a lot and a lot. Space. Space. Space is a thing that is from natural resources to warmth and soil are also natural resources. So plants need a lot of natural resources, right? Maybe it doesn't need all resources. It just needs natural resources. But we need plants. Wow. They didn't even do anything with us, but we need it. So, thanks for coming with me today. Have a good time.